Hello, this is Michelle Leda. This is my first video ever. I'm gonna show you the DSi XL. I have one game, Cooking Mama 3. I also have music on the DSi XL. I have an SD card. I'm gonna show you the SD card. Here's the SD card over here. Here's the SD card. Like that. So yeah. The DSi XL has two cameras. Over here and over here. You can surf the internet with the DSi XL. Excuse me. You also have two bigger screens. I'm not gay. I have the DS Lite here, and as you can see how big the DSi XL and the DS Lite is. As you can tell already, the DS Lite is small and the DSi XL is massively huge. See? See that? So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. This is my first video ever. Please subscribe. Good riddance. Oh no. Goodbye, YouTube.